being an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Grommy. Today is Wednesday, May the 13th. It's time to give our little baby gorilla a little tea time. I'm only doing a 1 liter batch, close as I can get it. Should be roughly 1/8 of a teaspoon. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon. That's a little low. Close enough for government work. I normally give half a teaspoon unsalted molasses and a half a gram of green rush seaweed extract to a gallon of water. This is only 1 liter, so I give it 0.12. Of course, my scale just cut off. Anyways, I'm going to get it mixed up and pH'd up and bring you back in a flash. What the hey? We'll do it together. Ooh, it don't take much. It don't take much of the seaweed extract to darken her up. Half a gram per gallon. This is 0.12 for 1 liter. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get off the floor, Grummies. You might have to call 911 for me. Water is actually a little on the cold side. Let's see what the hell we got. I used my water off my dehumidifier, so I might have to pop it in the microwave for 2 or 3 seconds. I want to at least get it above 68 degrees. 68 to 72 is your ideal watering temp. Yeah. I think we'll ride with the pH there. 6.56. My target was 6.5. Close enough for government work. In fact, this 6.69, almost 67 degrees. I think I'm just going to let it all roll, Grummies. We'll just get this shit done. There we go, 67. Yeah. 653. We're going to roll with it. Ain't no sense in dilly-dallying around, now is it? I'm going to do what I always do. Give her 300 mils in the bottom. And 700 mils in the top. I ain't gonna drag you through the top. Maybe 1 squirt. Maybe 1 squirt in the top. And I'll get you up over there. Give you a little peeky peek. She is day 3 of week 7 today, I do believe. Day 3 of week 7. Alright, I'll bring you back in a flash. Good morning, fam. Yeah, this is not my normal style of growing. I usually jump on my plants a lot earlier with the LST and everything. I don't super crop. Not unless it's absolutely necessary. In this case, it was absolutely necessary. I could not begin the LST at an early age. Let's take a peek over here in the 2x2 real quick. Uh-oh. I don't know what's on little Fatbuds' mind there, Miss K. Good thing you got a hat on. That's all I can say about that. Have a fantastic day, fam. I'm out of here. Peace.